Hello, Tin Man here. Here I got a Mr. Allen, his old car built XForce, and let me hide his number up here so it ain't like displaying. So what we got here is he brought to me and said he's having audio issues. So I went ahead and first let's see here. There we go, and threw it on the Spectrum. And I don't know if you guys can see this or not. So I got my audio turned down. This is a very good clean. Let's see here. Look how nasty that is. So I'll turn it up a little bit. Main thing is voltage right now. This thing's dropping down to 10, 11 volts. Now I'll turn my mic gain all the way off, and we'll just do a dead key. Dropping to 12 on the dead key. Doing a about a 200 watt carrier. Let's introduce a modulation to it, and then we'll drop the carrier down. Get a little bit more PEP, and you'll see what I'm talking about. Watch this 500 watt over here. It's almost a little over 500 PEP. I'll introduce a little bit more carrier to it. We'll lose a little bit of PEP, a little bit more average. So we got a voltage issue going on. So this transformer is just not, big enough for it. So I'm gonna load test it out and see if we can't up its game a little bit. I'll talk to Mr. Allen on this. All right, there's your intro. Then we'll have a video afterwards. Oh, and we'll make some mods to it. I'll get a little bit more power out of it. I love these Carl built boxes. I even liked a lot of Arlen built Toshiba boxes. So yep. All right, be in touch. Tin Man here in the shop, back with Mr. Allen's box. So we went ahead and replaced his old XForce power supply, or transformer rather, and I've got one of these from the APCs, and it's a 50 amp. So load tested it out. It's loading it down quite well, and what we'll do is we're going to turn it on. It is floating at 21, and we'll key it down a little bit, and we're pulling it down about 14.5. Let's see, 1,000 watt. That's a 250. Let's swap those around. Let's just go ahead and put a little bit bigger one in there. Let's go to 500. Put this in peak. This in average. All right, 1,000 watt in peak, 500 in average on that 1x2. So hitting almost 400 bird, and on the peak side, almost a whopping 600. So it is working good. As I look at the Spectrum over here, I may change that span out a little bit. Looking really good. Carried out to 200. Yeah, looking really good. Let me go right here. Kind of in a cumbersome situation here. That's 200. Change that span back to 50. Yeah, now it's good. It was quite fuzzy earlier, so I'm gonna get this thing buttoned down. It's working really good now. Like I said, it is being pulled. It is putting out about 21 volts float. Dropping down right about 15 volts. So working quite well, and should be good to go. All right, Tin Man in here to bam, Mr. Allen coming to you.